Let me show you how to set up your Facebook personal profile to promote your business. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and I show you how to create profitable content. Now, I know there's a bit of a debate between whether you should post business stuff on your personal Facebook profile or just keep it all personal stuff. I do think that you should promote your product or service on your personal Facebook profile. You can watch that video if you want to dive into more detail and all my reasons why I really think that you should post business stuff on your personal profile. So this is my Facebook profile right here. This is my personal profile on Facebook. Let me show you how we promote our business. So if you don't know, we are YouTubers and online entrepreneurs. Our main thing is our YouTube channel and we're YouTube coaches, but we also do design work as in website design, branding, course creation, and as our tagline says, we show you how to create profitable content. So let's go through the different sections of a Facebook profile. And some people don't even pay attention to this stuff, and it's basically like a website. And you want to set it up strategically so that you can potentially get the click to your website. The click that leads to your Instagram and them messaging you. So first thing is the banner here. Please utilize this area. This is basically like a billboard for you. And Facebook allows you to do this huge graphic, and it's in your best interest to get one designed that promotes you and your product or service, whatever you're doing. Now you can see our design is super simple, minimalistic, to the point, and professional looking. If you need a banner like this designed for your Facebook profile, I will have the contact details to message us. My business partner, Arit, is a graphic designer. She made this for us. We get comments about this banner all the time. So if you need one created, hit us up in the description and email us. So like I said, the banner is simple, to the point, and we basically want people, when they see this banner, to go to our website. You can see it says Essetinomedia, our tagline, create profitable content, visit, and then essetinomedia.com. It's got our image here. It's got a beautiful gradient, our colors. Simple, professional, straight to the point. Now here's also another cool thing. When someone clicks on this banner, right here on the right hand side, it says create profitable content, and it has a link to our website, a clickable link to our website. And if I click that, it goes directly to our website. It says all about how we can help you, our courses, you can hire us, work with us. So going back to the banner here, if you do have a website that you want to direct people to, put it here. If you don't and you have something else, like an Instagram, a LinkedIn, a YouTube channel, whatever you want to send people to, that's going to be the best compilation of your work. Do not put a link in here that goes to something that is obsolete, that you don't really tend to, and it's not the best of your work. So that's the first one, the banner. Please pay attention to the banner. Next here, you can see that it says intro, and right here it says YouTuber and online entrepreneur, and it has two emojis. So it catches your attention right away. And when people look on this on mobile or on desktop, they're going to see this right up at the top. I did this on purpose. I put YouTuber and online entrepreneur to catch people's attention. Whenever I say I'm a YouTuber, it catches people's interest because it's not a typical thing that most people are. When you're in the world of YouTube, it may seem like there's a lot of YouTubers, but when you step out into the real world and stuff, most people are not YouTubers or would even call themselves that. So I use that term on purpose to catch people's interest. So say something exciting about what you do. Next, I put that I'm a co-founder of Essetinomedia, and I'm one of two. The other person is my best friend and business partner, Arit. and you can see that I linked our fan page. So people can click on this and it will go to our Facebook fan page, which is also branded and everything. Here has different branding. This says to download a free YouTube guide. And this is also a page that I talk about that you should make sure that you have proper branding and your links. So heading back to the profile here, I put credibility to our Facebook fan page. I do like putting the location of where I'm from because I'm here in Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, and I actually create a lot of connections with a lot of other Canadians. They'll tell me, hey, I've been to Vancouver, or I'm from another part of Canada, and it's a great talking point and a great connection point. Next is my Instagram, and then these last two links here. This again is our website, but this right here, this is a cool link. When you click on this, it goes to a page like this. So it's a smart bio link, and we also have a video on how to create this as well. It is free to create this. This leads to some key things that we'd like to direct people to. So this first link is our YouTube SEO course. This link is a free downloadable YouTube guide if they're not willing to buy the course. This is some credibility, how much you can make as a YouTuber to prove to people that we can talk about this because we live and breathe YouTube, so we know what we're talking about. This is a Hire Me page, and this is a story. This is a story about the last job that I ever had, which was back in 2011. It's a dramatic story of how I got fired from my last job and how I became an entrepreneur. It literally threw me in the deep end. It's a great story. I would recommend it. So those are the links here that people can click around on. And then here I've added some key titles and photos for the featured section. So on your Facebook profile, you can actually feature some photos. So I put here business, being a YouTuber, and adventures. You do have a limited amount of characters, so just be aware you can't have like a long title. I think this one right here, being a YouTuber, is the longest title that you could have. Again, I'm putting featured categories of what I'm about. I'm about being a YouTuber. I do love these adventures that we go on, and I'm an entrepreneur. So when people click on that, they will see specific photos. So if we click on this here, they're gonna see this here. This is our live photo. This is a video that we did on how we make $2,000 to $4,000 a month with Google ad revenue. This is when we hit 44,000 subscribers. This is me being a weirdo, planning the week. People can click on those separate categories and instantly get a feel for us. You can curate how people view and see you. And so you want to put your best foot forward, especially if you're trying to sell something like a product or service. And the last point here, last point about your Facebook profile and having it primed for business is pinned posts. So a lot of people don't know that you can actually pin a post that you have done. Now, don't pin every post. You want to be strategic with this, and I do have another video talking about this as well. But basically, you want to pin your best posts. So every so often, I do these in-depth posts where I'm telling usually a life story, and this was the life story of how I became an entrepreneur. It's a really deep dive post about my life and how it all happened and how I got here basically. So I will only pin posts that I believe people will enjoy and get a feel for who I am. And then from there, they can decide, yeah, I want to follow Jewel more, or no, I don't really like her personality. And so that's the purpose of these pinned posts. Don't pin every single thing that you post that isn't necessarily relevant or important. Always guide people where you want them to go. And the whole purpose of this is to guide them to your products and services. So this is how I set up my Facebook personal profile to promote my business. And you'd be surprised, if you do have a business and you're promoting something, people will search you up, people will look you up, and they want to see like who you are. Should I buy from you? Why should I buy from you? So So get in there and soup up your Facebook profiles for success. Again, if you need a banner designed, hit us up. We've got our email down in the description. We can create something really cool for you. Smash the thumbs up button if you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next video.